Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. I have a short one for you today. Gen 3 Coyote, manual tranny, 3 bolt-ons. We have tune, we have a set of long tube headers, a cold air intake. We are gonna go down and take a look. It's an E85 car. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, I know if you watch our videos, almost all of them are boosted Mustangs and F-150s, but today it's just an NA bolt-on car. You can email quote@brenspeed.com to say what's this cost to get installed. Check that description. I'll put links to the parts so we can ship them right to your door. We have everything in stock. Doug, come down, take a look. Hey, also subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Awesome JLT air intake. This is our go-to cold air on all our bolt-on cars. Again, we have a tune on it, E85, set of stainless power long tube headers with cats. That's it. Handful of mods, 460 the tires. Check out the dyno. All right, we're on our DynoJet. This is DynoJet SAE rating, smoothing 5. Doug, come here, take a look. 466 raw horsepower, peaking at 6,800. Torque comes in 410 at 4,600. What I like this 410 right here is the E85 really helps you get the torque up a little bit more than 93. I think on 93, this car made about 440 the tires, so good gains there. Gen 3 Coyote, love the S550, cold air headers. Again, we have these parts in stock. Open the description, and hey, check our other videos. I'm gonna put a link at the end to a bunch of other Coyote videos you can watch. Most of them are boosted. I'm Brent, again, we're in Indiana. Thanks so much for watching.